today I'm going to be going over how to set up your settings in your EDM. So before you start building your EDM, it's always good to set this up first because it keeps everything consistent across the whole email and it saves you time later on. It saves you from adding in information as you're going in. So first up, you just want to go into your settings. And then from here, the first thing that you want to do is adjust your content area width. The normal is around 600, but you can kind of choose what size you're after. But for today, we'll just go into 600 pixels. And then, so you can see it here, it adjusts all of the content that's that I've got in the EDM currently. Perfect. And then from there, you can also adjust the alignment. So I think normally EDMs are normally centered, but you can choose to do the left aligned as well. So, but for now, we'll keep it on centered. And then from there, you can also change the background color of like the entire EDM. So you can see on here, you can kind of choose what color that you're after. For now, we'll just choose a nice blue for that one. Perfect. And then you can also choose to just edit the content area color as well. So you can see when I change the color in here, it just changed the color behind the background of the content. But for now, we'll just turn that one off. We'll keep that off just for now. You can also choose to have a background image as well. So you can choose that on and off. And to choose your image, you can go choose image. You can also put a URL in there. But for now, we'll just go choose image. And then we'll just choose this nice image that I've got set up in here. So you can see we've got that nice image on the back as well. So you'll see when you add in content, it just follows down through the EDM, throughout the entire EDM. Perfect. And then from there, we can also change your default font as well. So you can see it changes the entire font for the entire EDM. Perfect. For now, we'll keep it on Helvetica. And then you can also change your link color as well. So you can see I've got like a link already in here. And you can choose whatever link color that you're after, whatever thing you think looks best. For now, we'll just do a nice blue color. And you can also choose to set up your email details as well. So it just saves you time later on. So you can put in your subject, your pre-header, or your title. And that is just everything that you can do to set up your settings. So it's always good to do this before you set up your EDM, just so everything is consistent and it saves you a lot of time when you're doing your EDM. And so yeah, thank you guys.